What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Trading Wars. Thanks for joining me today. We are here, long drive, but we're here to serve the people, provide education like we do each and every day. So first and foremost, I want to appreciate each and every one of you who are here at 11 p.m. Eastern. It means the world to me that you're here and that you chose me to be your teacher. So first and foremost, as we always do, let's go ahead and see where you guys are tuning in from tonight. Let me throw you up on the screen. Let's make sure we retweeted this. Yes, we did. We retweeted it. Boom. All right. So let's go ahead and throw some of your names up on the screen. Let's go. Boom. Jerome F. Hi, Rich. Love from Singapore. What's up, brother? Thank you for being here. Sandumpi. Hi from Canada. Lauren from California. Nirmal from Oakland. Harlem Trades from New York. Eldon's Harris from Albany. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Ramon M from PDX Working Law. I don't know where that one's at, brother. Here we go. Eric Rivera, San Francisco. Mario Rodriguez, South California. Whoa, it's going too fast. Jalisco 7227, Chicago. Elaine, what's up? New Jersey. And let's do one more. Give me one powerful one. Pedro from Houston, Texas. Oh, baby. All right, guys. So welcome. As you guys know, we have the giveaway still rocking and rolling. Just make sure you sign up for the giveaway, guys. Prizes include 10 copies of my new book, lifetime membership to private Discord and Twitter, cash prizes. You also get priority access to my new book, which comes with special Nirvana indicator. Boom. 1,200 people have signed up so far, but I really think there should be around 2,000 or 3,000, guys, because man, it's free opportunities. It's free opportunity to change your life. Make sure you sign up. Okay, let's get this party started now. So let's get straight into the picks today. I want to talk about a wonderful day again that we had. So here we go. We are on Apple. I'm going to go to the daily chart and talk about the trade. So here we go. So let's hit the market replay. Bam. All right. So we're here on Apple, guys. Let me zoom in here for you guys. Check this out. We're here on Apple. We're on this inside. We had this inside bar close yesterday. Okay. So right off the bat, guys, what do you think is happening to the option premiums? So with this inside bar, what we're doing, guys, do you see the previous bar right here? You see how big the previous bar was? And then we had a pause bar. So right here, guys, the option premiums are going to be very expensive when we have these big volatile moves, right? But the next day, right, we have a very tight range. Look how small this candle is compared to this candle. So the option premium on this day is going to be decaying, right? So when the option premium is decaying, that's what we call a precondition. That's what we call marinating the chicken. We're looking for great opportunities to come in the next day and take trades, okay? So another great thing about Apple is you could see that Apple was sitting on this level, this area of support. So this previous area right here, guys, was a previous resistance right here. You see this resistance, and then now we're coming back and retesting this resistance zone. So a lot of traders are going to be expecting that this is going to be a potential spot to bounce. But what if it doesn't? Okay, now that's the question that we're going to talk about today. We're talking about trap bulls and bears today. So what happens if we don't bounce today? Who do you think is going to be in danger? You better believe that there's a lot of people buying up these levels, previous resistance becomes support, etc. So what do you think is going to happen? What do you think is going to happen, guys? All right, let me close my door. Give me 1 second. So I'm looking at the chat. So what do you think is going to happen, guys? So because we are in a significant area and we know that bulls are going to be looking to buy at this area, guys, we can have something called a bull trap. And a bull trap basically is one of the most explosive moves in trading, because what happens is when the bears are in control of the market, it comes down very, very quickly. So let's just look at this right here, guys. So if we look at this closely here, guys, we can see, look at this, okay? It took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days, 6 days to get about $2 move on Apple, and then within 3 days, guys, we took about $8 move. You see that? So that's the way that the bears like to play the game. And when we're playing with options, this can be very rewarding. So now that we have the stage set, now that we have the preconditions in check, now we have to go ahead and we have to find an execution strategy. So I'm going to hit the first bar here. Boom. So here we go. Here's the first 5-minute bar. So what can we do right off the bat with this first bar? Hey, Andrea, what's up? Welcome back. What can we do with that first 5-minute bar? So with this first 5-minute bar, guys, there's a lot of clues here. we can see right off the bat that there was a lot of selling right away. Okay. So the first strategy we can do right here is what we call the opening range breakout. However, the next bar is an inside bar. So if the next bar is an inside bar, what we do, because the opening range, it does not break out, we defer to the inside bar. And this is, my friends, this is what we call Trading Wars fractal trading. Okay. So that's fractal trading, as above, so below trading. Okay. That's what that means, because we're taking an inside bar within an inside range from the previous day. So these patterns are very, very powerful. Let's go to the Discord right here. Somebody's spamming me right now on the Discord, but that's okay. We'll look at it after. So here we go. Daily option picks right here. Boom. So if we go right here, guys, Apple right off the bat, 940 inside bar. So we get the alert came through on the Discord there. Here we go. So we can play this bar very simply. We can take the breakout of the low, the breakout of the high, either one. I have an advanced way of entering into these bars, which I wrote about in my book that's going to be released on Sunday or Friday, depending on how quickly I get to it. But let's use the breakout method right here, okay? So if it breaks the low, we're going to go short. We're going to buy puts. If it breaks the high, we're going to buy calls. We're going to go long. What happens? Boom. Okay, so right here, guys, we're filled into the short position. So we can either put our stop loss at the high of the day, or we can use that inside bar as our stop loss there. So we're waiting. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, we're up. We're making money. Now, guess what comes through? Double inside bar comes in. All right, so we have a double inside bar pattern and another leg down. Beautiful. Okay, so right around here, guys, this area is what we call the gap fill. So when you're looking at the gap fill, you need to be scaling out a good bit of your position at the gap fill. Okay, you want to take a good bit of your position, then you can put a stop loss to break even. Okay, and then here we go. Apple, another leg down, chilling, boom, 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 boom. This is what we call the morning leg Fibonacci right here. This is the morning leg, because as you can see, so we have this push and then we have this pullback. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to take the Fibonacci, take it from the high to the low, like this and right there. So here we go. The 618 is right here. We have this entry candle. This is an inverted hammer. You can see the big wick here. 618 entry. Okay. Also wrote about in my book. And then here we go. We even get a double top reversal right there. And then we keep going. Beautiful. So you see that, guys? Very clean, very, very beautiful, clean setup. I mean, doesn't get it better than that. Inside bar, first one. Okay, double inside bar, boom, boom, boom. If you miss all of that, you wait, you be patient, you get that pullback into the zone, guys, and let's see what happens after. There we go. Beautiful follow through, right? And then the last play we had is the trigger. The trigger came later in the afternoon right there. Here's the yellow line for the trigger. And then, guys, let me just fast forward this. Boom. Absolutely stunning, beautiful, marvelous, excellent. I absolutely love it. And I love you guys for being here with me tonight, because this right here is life-changing education. It does not get any better than that, guys. I've taken a complicated market full of bullshit and I made it simple for the average person to learn, because that is my passion. The average person should be able to learn this. The average person has hopes and dreams just like everybody else. The average person should be able to achieve financial freedom. This is why we do this, because I was an average person. I was the kid that was grown up in the wrong environment. I was the kid that was put on watch lists, all of this stuff. So this is why I do what I do. Simple. That's it. Hit me with a 2 if you guys love that Apple play right there. Hit me with a 2 and then we'll go. I mean, there's absolutely no reason not to make money on Apple today, guys. And and like I said, guys, today was a clean day, But if you're a good trader, guys, if you're managing your risk, right? If you hit Apple and you make that, guys, if you hit Apple on that, oh my God, man, hold on. Let's go here. So in the Twitter, I only post the trigger results. The reason that I don't post all of the results is because people will not understand. And in the past, when I try to post all the results, I actually get a lot of hate from the community. I get a lot of people DMing me and bashing me and telling me this is not realistic and all that. So I just try to keep it simple, and I try to just put the actual trigger. But let me tell you the real potential of this play today. Let's go here to Yahoo Fan. Let's go here. Apple options chain. We're going to go here. And the strike that we had picked today was the 148 put. So let's go ahead. Let's get the 148 put, which is going to be down here. And let's really look at the potential of this play. So the 148 put, 917 is this. Am I looking at this the right way? Did I do something wrong? Oh, here, sorry. 148 put. There we go. Okay, now let's go to this full screen here and let's talk about this play. Okay. So I like to do a line chart here. What is that? What is that? Okay, I don't know why. I don't know what I just did. Let's hit the refresh real quick. I did something. Just want a nice line. Ah, God. Okay, anyways, let's just use the candles. Okay, so the entry on Apple for the puts was right here at 935. Okay, so let's say you got in at 940. So we're going to go here at the puts, and 940 is right around here. So the contracts were trading for around 89 cents. So let's say 90 cents. Okay, so contract is going for 90 cents right there. And then it goes to, let's see. So the high of the day is 218. Let's just say you held it into the close and sold it. So 132. Okay. So 90 to 132 into the, wait, this doesn't make sense. I think this chart is messed up. But anyways, so basically, let's just use this example here. 90 cents, get around for maybe $2 or $1. Let's say you double, right? So you could easily double up those puts, easily. Okay, so at least to $1.80. All right, so 90 cents to $1.80, guys, that's double your money. That's good to go. And on the rest of these plays, even if they don't work, let's say you take paper cuts, you still walk away and make money. That's how you have to trade, guys. That's how you have to trade. And then I'm just going to tell you something, and as a little bit as advanced here, right? So now when the trade is working in your favor, so let's say here you took this inside bar here. Okay, you add a little bit more on this double inside bar, and then we come back here and we start hitting these fibs. You can add again, and then when we start pushing down and hitting these triggers, you're all out. So that's okay. So that's how you take the unrealized profits that you had over here, and you can add to your play. So basically what you're risking is you're just risking your unrealized gains. And that's how you can take like maybe a $500 winner to like a $2,000 or $3,000 winner. But that is very advanced. Okay. But I just want to show you guys to motivate you. You don't have to get there right now, but just that's how it is. When you have a winning play, when you have a winning strategy, you want to keep hitting it. Okay. All right, let's move on. Peloton. Back to the daily. So I really like Peloton, okay, because of this shotgun setup. All right. So a shotgun setup for me is basically an inside bar variation with a big wick, either on the bar or the previous bar. So this is what we call a shotgun strategy. You see this power coming in here. Okay. So there's a lot of power coming in. Look at all this selling. Whoom, whoom, selling. Okay. Then we have the inside bar. So we have a pause. We have option premium decay. Okay. Boom. Catching rockets with the $10. Amazing live always. Thank you, brother. Much appreciated. So there we go. So now if we go down to the 5-minute right here, okay, we have the inside bar range right over here. Hit the first play. Boom. Okay. First 5-minute bar. What can we do with this? What can we do with this first 5-minute bar, friends? What is the strategy? What is the strategy? What can we do? What do you guys think? Okay, I'm looking at the comments. Orb. Beautiful. So here we go. We got that first 5-minute bar orb. If it breaks the high, calls, breaks the low, puts. Simple. Okay, boom. There we go. Money. Done. That's 20 to 30% easily right there, guys. Like it's easy. Look at this. Another push up. Another push up there, guys. That's it. Clean, clean. Now, once you get that first push, scale out. Put your stop loss to break even. Okay. And then we have this beautiful outside bar here. And that's pretty much it. Like I would have played this orb right off the bat. And then later on in the day, we actually got a trigger. If I remember correctly on Peloton. Yes, we got a trigger later on in the day. So that's why it's so important to play the first few opportunities that you get. because the first few opportunities are always going to be the best opportunities, guys. Always in trading. That's how it works. So here we go. So first opening range breakout, this inside bar here, guys, this is a winner. This is a nice scalp down. Look at this, scalp down. Then guess what? The heavens open up. Look, the heavens are opening up here. Here's the heavens opening up. The light is coming from the clouds. Holy Grail steps in, another winner. See, guys, like you can be hitting these scalps, you know, bam, bam, bam. You can be hitting that, making good money. And then later on in the day, guys, we have this follow through, chilling. Boom, trigger is down here. Here we go. Trigger. There we go. So trigger is pierced later on in the day. Let's just fast forward. Beautiful. So, you know, this one's still very reasonable. Opening range breakout, made money. Inside bar here, Holy Grail here, all good money. Let's just make sure the alerts came through for Peloton. Piton inside bar, good. Just making sure the alerts are there. Boom, boom, boom. Very clean. I still don't see any reason to have a horrible day so far. So far, so good. So hit me with a 3 if you're good with Peloton. You know, you just got to be willing. Sometimes, like, you have to define what type of trading you want to be. You want to hit it and run? You want to hit and run, or you want to hold for later in the day? Generally, you want to scale out, get the stop to break even as soon as you can. Scale out, get the stop to break even, because you don't want to take big hits. Okay? You don't want to take big hits in trading. You know, you take punches, and then eventually what's going to happen is you're going to catch something that flies. And when you catch that thing that flies, that's how you make a lot of money. Boom, next one. Bank of America, baby. So here we go. So we got a super sticker here from my brother Jay Lamb with the 99 cents with the diamond. Thank you very much, brother. All right. So now this one is a beautiful, like this is the part. I don't know if you guys, for how many guys here or gals here, how many of you guys remember what I posted on Twitter the other day when I said that I really want to automate the Fibonacci reversal trading? How many of you guys remember that? Hit me with a 4 if you guys remember that. How many of you guys remember that tweet where I was like, I really, really, really want to automate the Fibonacci reversal? Okay, great. So look at this. Look at this chart, guys. This is what I'm working on right here. Me and little bro. This is what we're working on. Look at this. We're putting in the time, guys. We're putting in the time. How many charts did we put together today, little bro? How many charts did we put together for the people today? How many?
Today, I think 30 something, but I'm still working on it, so yeah.
Can you believe that, guys? 30 something charts we put together with notes like this for you guys, so you can learn. I'm telling you right now. I was gonna cut a Bret Hart promo, but I'm gonna wait. I'll wait for a little bit later on that one. So anyways, let's go. So we're gonna get rid of this. Man, it's just beautiful. Life is such a beautiful thing, man. Like, if you're hungry, if you're motivated, if you want to learn, if you want to get out there and achieve your dreams, man, it's a beautiful, beautiful world. But if you're the type of guy that's gonna sit here and cry and complain and always blame other people, it's not gonna happen for you. It's not gonna happen. I'm telling you guys, attitude is everything in life. Attitude is the #1 reason for success and failure. So let's go. Here we go. So here's the previous day's range, right? So let me pull out my book here. Still writing it and whatnot, but this is the part of the book. It's called this Fibonacci reversal power entry. So that's what we're looking at right now. This is what we call a Fibonacci reversal power entry. So we're gonna go ahead. We're gonna take the fib. We're gonna take the previous day's range and we're gonna expand it out like this. Okay. Okay. So where's the last bar? Right here. So this is what I really want to talk about in this video. Is I need to get the Fibonacci reversals completely automated in the broker. I need to get that done. So, and this is why, guys. So let's just talk about this. How many times have you seen the stock break out of the previous day and then reverse? How many times out of 100? What do you guys think? Give me some numbers. What have you seen from your trading? Boom, we got Pete with the $5. You got such a positive attitude. Keep up the good work, brother. Thank you, my friend. I really appreciate that, man. We're just trying to push love, life, and learning out here. Many times. Many times. Yes, a lot of the times. And this is what I'm about to show you is going to require a pen and pad alert. Okay, this is going to require a pen and pad alert because I'm going to talk about a lot of detail right now. So get the pen and the pad out and let's discuss this. Okay, and what I'm going to do here is I'm going to put some arrows on these wicks right here. Very important. Okay, so I'm going to put another marker here and let's discuss this. So right off the bat, guys, what happens is this. So we actually need to draw the Fibonacci from the previous day first, and we'll discuss this. So let's focus on the previous day first. Okay. All right. Let's focus on the previous day first. So here's the previous day's low, high at the time. So what I want to show you guys is just basic Fibonacci trading. Okay. So this is Bank of America yesterday. We start off the bat, first 5-minute candle, double inside bar. That's a big winner, right? Double inside bar breakout, big winner. Then we have this morning leg right here. This is the first time we see this algo right here. The first time the algo shows up to the party, it buys a dip on the 786 because that's a good risk reward. Risk off of here, that's good. Now you can see this algo accumulating shares, tagging it on the 50, tagging it again right here. And then even later in the day, when the shorts and the bears were really trying to push this over, they could not push it over. So we see this algo. We see this. This is why you have to watch the chart from yesterday. Look at this. Accumulating shares, accumulating. Look at the fibs every time. Accumulation. Like, do you see how perfect this is? I can't make this up, guys. I can't make this up. Look at this. 786, 50, 618. And then look at this right here. 618 again. So this algo is accumulating shares down here. So what do you think this algo is going to do the next day when it's been buying down here? So let's say the average price for the algo is around $40.50. What do you think it's going to do when we break out the next day and we hit the Fibonacci extensions? What do you think the algorithm is going to do? What would you do? Okay. What would you do? Tell me. And now I'm going to remove this Fibonacci because I was just trying to show you where the algo was loading. And then what we're going to do here, guys, is we're going to take the Fibonacci now of the previous day's range and extend it like this. Right? So remember this. When we break into a new high, these traders down here, the algos down here, these traders are the ones that are reaping the reward. Okay, so the algo, look, we have all of this. We have the measured move right here on the 50% extension. Let's look at this risk to reward. Algo buys on 786, stop loss below the swing low, takes it up here. Do you see that, guys? See how perfect it is? You see, it's exactly 6 times. It's exactly 6 times because all of this right now, guys, all of this is a program. It's a computer program. It's a computer program, guys. We are trading with robots. We have to understand that. We're not trading with the furus on Twitter. We're trading with robots. So understand them. 6-to-1 risk to reward ratio. That's easily maybe 6, whatever. Let's say they risk $100,000 on that. That's 600 grand. If they risk $1 million, that's 6 million. If they risk whatever, it's 6 times their money. When this algo can hit this one time, they don't have to do anything for the rest of the month or the year, basically. Okay? So so we know what the algo is doing, but what are the new traders doing? The rookies. What are the rookies doing? What do you guys think? What are the rookies doing? And what are the false idols doing? Which is unfortunate. So the false idols are saying, guys, Bank of America. Obviously, they're not saying Bank of America, but like if it was another stock, they would be saying, It's going to the moon. We got a breakout. This is what they're going to do. Watch. Let me help you guys draw. Let me draw it for you guys. Watch this. Okay. 1, 2. So we have the J-Lo bottom right here. 1 J-Lo bottom, 2 J-Lo bottom. We're going to the moon. But guess what? You guys aren't going to think like that anymore. You won't be. Because you got me. All right? Well, this is what a smart trader does. First things first. If you're going to take the trigger, you can still make money. Okay? Let me get rid of this thing. Here's the trigger, the yellow line. You can still take the trigger, guys, but you have to know where the targets for the algorithm is. Right? So if you take the entry right here on the yellow line, you have to understand where all of these targets are above. 10%, 0.169, 272, 50. You have to be taking those targets on the way up. And then once you start seeing this price action, this rejection at the 50, 1 rejection, 2 rejection, you have to know it's now or never. So either you keep your stop loss below this swing low here, or you get it to break even somewhere here. So you have to understand where the targets are and you have to be using them. You can't just buy it and close your eyes. Okay? And then check this out. As a reversal trader, when we come up to the 50, you can look for the candlestick confirmation right here. Here's the doji and here's another one. And here's an inside bar. Or you can just hit it with a limit order. So you can just hit it with a limit order on the 50, on any one of these fibs. I talk about this in a lot of detail in my book, okay? So you put the limit orders there, guys. Why? Why would you even want to try that? Well, let me ask you a question. When we're breaking out into new highs, are puts going to be cheap or expensive? What do you guys think? Are puts going to be cheap or expensive when we're breaking into new highs? What do you guys think? So another way to think about it is this. McDonald's has the app right now. You can use the app and you can get large fries for $1. Are you going to pay full price for the fries or are you going to get it for $1? Hit me with a 1 if you would rather use the app and get the large fries for $1. Hit me with a 1. So it's not just about being right on a trade. It's about getting something for a good deal. Because if you get it for a good deal, then you're going to make a lot of money when you're right. If you take this trade 10 times, you probably only needed to work 3 to 4 out of the 10 times to make a profit. If someone wants to look on Yahoo, let's look then. Bank of America. So let's look at it together. Bank of America options chain. So the puts. So, okay. So right around here. So you could see the 50 is at 41.27. So we go slightly. Let's go to 41. Okay. It's a little bit out of the money there. Right there. 41. Okay. And guys, do you see what I'm doing right now? Right now, I'm doing exactly what your favorite people on Twitter are charging you $5,000 for and saying that it's a masterclass. So hit me with a like, comment, and subscribe right now. Right now. Okay, guys? Hit me with that. Let's go ahead now. 41 put. Full screen. Okay. This thing looks so ugly. God. I hate why. How do I get rid of this thing? Why is this even here? There we go. Okay, so let's use this line graph here because it's easier to see it with a line graph, right? I would go into interactive brokers and just look at this, but I don't want to open my account here because I have all my personal things on there and all that. I don't want to get hacked. Okay, so here we go. So Bank of America, this is around 950. Okay. So let's just say 955. So that's the puts are right there about 46 cents. And then at the high of the day, $1.38. So that's a triple. That's a triple. Okay, guys? That's what I'm talking about right there. That's a triple. You catch one of these, that's a triple. Beautiful. So do you see how cheap they were down here? Look at this. Really, really cheap. Really, really cheap. Look, 35 cents, 45 cents, very cheap. And then at the high, $1.34, by the close, $1.26. That's great money, guys. It's actually, imagine you triple your money in one day. It's insane, guys. I wonder if Yahoo can sponsor me now, man. God, we need to get sponsored out here. $40 turns into $150. Exactly, guys. Beautiful. All right. So we have that. We have the breakout. Okay. We have the Fibonacci reversal. It's okay. You know what, Rich? I missed it, man. I missed it. No problem, brother. Take this. Double inside bar. That's going to be in my book right there. Double inside bar. Oh, okay. No problem. You need alerts? I got you. Right here. Bank of America inside bar. Bank of America inside bar. Boom, boom, bang. Okay. All right. Rich, I missed the breakout. I missed the reversal. I missed the double inside bar. No problem, brother. Trigger. Boom. We got you in all angles today. So it's all good. It's all good. If you're willing to learn and put in the work, I got you in all angles. Hit me with the 3 if you guys are good with that one. It's just beautiful. It's actually exceptionally beautiful. It's absolutely insane. If I would, like I said, guys, I have a lot of the breakouts automated, but I need to get some of the reversals automated. And guess what? I'm writing my book. I'm very busy. But once the book is done and I get it out for you guys, I'm going to get back to the old school Rich. The old school Rich means this. We open up an Excel spreadsheet and we just start backtesting. That's it. We just start backtesting. We start hitting it. Boom, boom, boom. We get the coffee and we start hitting it. We get the results. Then we take our own money and we risk it and we make sure it works before we even bring it to the public. So that's the plan. All right. All right. Next, MU. So MU, inside bar on the daily. Okay. Inside bar on the daily. Guys, you have to remember something. Before I was out here on Twitter and helping people, I was like Batman. I had my own back cave and I'm there grinding, doing the back testing, doing the creation of the different strategies, studying the Fibonacci, all by myself, guys. So here we go. So this one here, I'm going to test you guys right now. What are the valid setups? What are the valid setups here, guys? What do you think? And I'm looking for a specific one, and I want to see if you guys know. Right after this, man, I'm going to go to Racetrack, and I'm going to get another coffee. We're going to hit it up tonight. I gotta finish this book. So help me out. Talk to me. What are the valid strategies? Orb, continue. What else do we have? Cap fill. What else? What else? What else? What else? I'm looking for a particular one. I want to see if you guys know what it is. Trigger, trigger, trigger. Orb then hit fib bounce off of 886. Trigger, 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 fractal. drill down. Okay, so here we go. Let's go down to a 3-minute chart, because that's also one of the charts that I'm looking at closely these days. So here we go. So no one got it right. This is what I was looking for. So we just did this yesterday. I'm sorry, we just did this on the last chart. What is it called from the book? Fibonacci reversal power entry. Yes. So the same way that we can reverse when we break out, the same way we can reverse when we break to the downside. So let me ask you a question. Okay. If you took this inside bar here yesterday, so the algorithms, whoever, they took that inside bar here yesterday. When we gap here and we start to push through, you better believe that they're going to be taking some profits. What the is this? Okay. Anyways. All right. So what we're going to do here, guys, is that we're actually, so this wick right here, guys, this is an error in Tradingview. That's not a real wick. So what we're going to do here is we're going to take the Fibonacci from the high to the low, and we're going to project it out like this. Oops. Take it here. High, low, project it out. Okay. So this is what I was looking for here, guys. So it's the same thing. It's the same thing that we do on the breakout to the upside. We're doing it on the breakout to the downside. It works both ways, because you have to remember, anybody that was shorting here, even into the close, anybody that shorted there, they're going to want to cover. And where do the algorithms cover? Well, they cover at the extensions. Okay. So here we go, guys. The 272, look at this. Look how many times we tag this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. So you can clearly see the buying pressure. And then check this out right here. Beautiful inside bar calling your name also. So guys, the 3-minute chart is an underrated chart. It's even underrated by me. And I'm working on it to find more setups there. So the first trade actually is the trigger, obviously. So in this trigger, you have to move fast. The yellow line here, you enter short, you have to cover right on these targets. That's what I just told you in the last one, right? Make sure that when we're breaking out of the range, you got to use these targets to cover. That's why they're there. Okay. And then if you want to play the flip side, then you can try the other side here. The calls in this case are going to be cheap. See that? All right. So hit me with the, I don't know what just happened in the chat, but anyways, hit me with a 5 if you guys are good with that one. Hit me with a 5. 100% today on Apple and Peloton. Rich killing these calls. Thank you, brother. Thank you, man. I mean, these days I've been seeing so much of you guys making money, and it's just making me happy, man. Just making me happy. I want to try to hit 50,000 followers by the end of the year, maybe 100,000 by the end of the year, because I'm going to tell you guys something, and don't take it the wrong way. Okay? Don't take it the wrong way, but listen. I deserve this. I deserve this because I know the value that I'm giving to you guys is unmatched in a lot of cases, because a lot of people are just lying. Okay, a lot of people are actually lying and pretending to you and doing hindsight stuff and drawing lines from north, west, east, and south and connecting them together, drawing J-Lo's bottom, drawing all that cup and handle, spoon and fork. A lot of that's happening out here. So I know I deserve what I have. I deserve it, and I deserve a lot more, honestly. So we're going to keep pushing until we get what we deserve. And there's one thing that's very important about this universe. You get what you deserve. You get what you serve to other people. And my time is coming. All right. There we go. We got the picks ready for tomorrow. Facebook, Nvidia, Pfizer, Moderna. We have some bonus picks in the Discord section. 40 minutes in. I'm having a good time with you guys as always. I have the Fibonacci's. I have the book, guys. I mean, I feel bad. Like honestly, I feel bad when I tell you, like, guys, my book is coming out. Like, I feel bad because I don't I don't care if you buy it or not, but people been asking me for it, and people have been pushing me to do it. So that's why I'm doing it. And so that I can also focus on other things, because I got to get back to building different algorithm, different things. There's a lot more that I want to do in trading, right? So I went ahead and I created this right here. This is my website. So right now, options trading in this section here, option trading drill down method coming soon. I'm teasing you guys right there. Look at that, beautiful. And then guys, just please make sure you sign up for the giveaway right here. Make sure you sign up for the giveaway. I really want you guys, I want a lot of you guys to win prizes, especially the guys and gals that are here in this chat. I really want you to win something, because I really appreciate you guys, and I'm trying my best. Okay. So what else do I need to say? I don't think I have anything else to say. Do you guys, I don't know. Let's do a few questions, because I've been getting a lot of questions. So let's do a few questions. Questions you guys have. Let's just do a few and then I'm out. Email is just going off, guys. Boom, 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 boom. Boom. Our brother here, Will, with the $4.99. You're changing our lives. Thank you for what you do for us. Thank you very much, brother. Thank you. Where do you your call outs? All right, brother. So this is what we do. Every day on Twitter, we post the picks for the next day. Okay. Then we go into the private Twitter right here, and we also have a bonus section for members right there. So I always post daily picks on the public Twitter, and then some bonus picks for my members. Then, so this is just from a day trading perspective. Then what happens is during the day, we have our members lounge where we talk about trades, etc. And we have our day trading area where we talk about trades and all that. And then what we do here is we use these alerts. Okay. So actually, I need to discuss the Spybot alerts actually, because I haven't been giving them enough love. But here are where the alerts come from. So the daily option pick alerts, all those picks that I post every single day, anytime an inside bar pops up here on the 5-minute chart or a variation, it's going to give you an alert. So once you get that alert, then you got to go ahead and you take the opportunities that you want. I'm not forcing you to do anything. You take the ones that you want with the strategies that we talk about all the time. Okay. Then we have the swing trade alerts. So the swing trades, you see this right here, guys? The swing trades it's a spreadsheet which has all the trades I posted on Friday or Saturday night, so that you can put them in your broker at a time. So the swing trades are pretty much more automated. Okay. And here we go. So like these are the alerts. So, you know, when we enter, if we get stopped out, etc., like these are the alerts for the swing trades. So we do the day trades and we do the swing trades. Okay. And then what else? Then we have Spybot alerts. Let's take a look at Spy today. So Spy, because I've traded Spy for so long and I have a lot of backtesting on Spy, we always look for the setups on Spy. So here is the first setup on Spy right here from an inside bar perspective. Could you have made money on that? And there's another holy grail right there. So these are the two alerts that came through for Spy on the 5. So let's go here, Spybot alerts. So on the 5 inside bar, and here another one inside bar on the 5, and this one was at the end of the day. Okay, so can you make money on this and this? What do you guys think? Hit me with a 1 if you could have made money off of those two. And guys, the reason it's really not about like having a superior strategy or whatever. It's not about that. It's about doing something that you can actually consistently apply. If I tell you this, guys, I'm sorry, okay? I'm going to do this again. I'm sorry. I'm going to do this again. Okay, watch closely. Okay. If I do this for you guys, and I say this is a bear flag, okay? So with the bear flag, what you're going to do is you're going to get in when we break the flag. So we're going to get in here. Now, the problem with this approach is this. The problem with this approach is this. You might draw the line like this. Somebody else is going to draw the line like this. Or somebody's going to do something else. And the second problem with this is you're getting in after the move already happened. And those of you who really trade options, you understand if you get in down here, you already missed a 20% move. But look at this simple inside bar. There's no judgment. It either is an inside bar or it's not. There's no judgment. Anyone, when the inside bar closes, is going to come on your screen and it's going to be yellow or whatever color you want it to be. And guess what? You get my indicator for free. So you have the indicator, put it on your chart. It's free. Put whatever color you want for the inside bar. The point of the matter is this. You want something that is monkey proof. Because if it's not monkey proof, then it's all bullshit. Because at some point you're going to make a mistake because your favorite stock trader drew the line from South Florida to North Florida, from Miami to Orlando. That's the problem. But you drew the line from Las Vegas to California. And then guess what? That same professional chart trader or whatever is going to tell you that you did it wrong. Anytime there's something wrong, guys, it's your fault. Oh, you didn't draw the bear flag the right way. You didn't draw the cup and handle. You put the handle before the cup. Or you put the fork and the spoon on top of each other with the knife. But guess what? If I show you that inside bar, guys, check it out. It's an inside bar to me. It's an inside bar to you. It's an inside bar to your grandmother. And it's an inside bar to your dog. That is what trading should be. I could put a little kid in front of here and say, look at this. Look at this bar right here. It's yellow. Every yellow bar on this chart is an inside bar. What bar is this? And they're going to tell you it's an inside bar. So the inside bar right here, friends, it's a defined trade. Look at this. And for those of you that are professional, you already know that's sitting on a fib. I don't even have to draw that. Okay? That's the point of the game. That's the point of the matter. Just be honest. Be honest to your followers. Be honest to everybody, guys. Be honest to yourself. Be honest. Be fair to people. Be fair. Stop with the bull and bear flag and this flag and stop with the spoon and forks. Just stop. Be fair. Okay? All right. So let's go ahead. 5 minute. Let's do 15 minute and 30. Let's see how those played out today. 15 minute. We had a few alerts. Okay. So we had this one over here, which was just nothing. Just pretty much a loser. Let's go to 30 minute. 30 minute, just a little scalp, not much. Okay. But the actual real hero of the day was the opening range breakout. That's a beautiful one. Beautiful. Okay, clean. Boom. So we have this brother here. Absolutely true. My 8-year-old daughter tells me what an inside bar and outside bar is. She started seeing your videos. So grateful. That's exactly what it's about. And then one day when I have my school for the youth and the younger children, they're going to be telling their parents, Mom, we got an inside bar on the weekly on Apple. We got about a 60% chance to take the breakout here. I think this is a better risk to reward than going to Vegas. I think this is a better risk to reward than going to Vegas. Why don't we try that? When we get to that level, guys, when I get to that level, then I know I made it. All right. That's it. We had a good time. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. Guys, I'm not really trying to bash anybody. I'm just trying to make people be accountable. Just be accountable, guys. Like, okay, if you're going to draw a flag, then what are the specific requirements to do it? What are the specific ways that you can teach people to do it? It's not about, like, if you're doing something subjective, it's not helping anyone. If you're doing something subjective, you're not helping anybody because everybody's going to have their own subjectivity to it. Just be fair. That's all I'm asking. That's it. Okay? So there we go, guys. We live to fib another day. We live to fib another day. These past 2 days have been great. Trading today has been great. Day trading has been great. Swing trading, kind of slow, but day trading has been awesome. So, that's how trading is. There's going to be ups and downs to the game. The main thing is protect your capital at all costs. All right. So I appreciate each and every one of you guys. Let's continue to have a great time and continue to trade well this week. Take care and stay tuned for another session tomorrow. Take care.